Crunch, 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 my favorite treat. Banana yellow, peel it down. Eat it up, don't wear a frown. Grapes so round, purple or green, best little fruits I've ever seen. Mango juicy, soft and bright, eat in the morning or at night. Orange round with zesty smell, juicy drops we love so well. Strawberry red with tiny seeds, sweet and fresh for all our needs. Watermelon big and cool, slice it up, it's picnic rule. Pineapple tall with spiky crown, cut it up and pass it around. Fruity, fruity, yum, yum, yum. Come on, sons, let's have some fun. Clap your hands and sing with me. Fruits are tasty, A to Z.
Sing with Baby Melon, hip hip hooray!